no weeding or tilling garden. That's what I'm gonna show you today. Yeah. All right, before we get into that, I'm Papa Texas. That's right. My mama says I'm entertaining, and you would love to subscribe to Papa and Papa's Kitchen. You need to learn how to cook. And all Papa Texas is, he's like your next door neighbor. It's not all the foo-foo stuff. It's real stuff, real things happening, from gardening, cooking, and all the other stuff I do. I also got an unfiltered channel, got more stuff over there. But anyway, let's go look at Papa's Garden. Papa's Garden 2020, that's right. It is not, and I used to till and weed and all that kind of stuff. I gave up. If I was younger, I would love to watch this video to learn how to do it different. I learn all the time. Everybody should be learning from cooking and gardening all the time. So we're gonna go over here. I've been working in the garden or in the backyard at least, doing different things, 6 hours. But let's go over here and let's see how it might be pathetic looking to you, but seriously, it works. It works. Let me show you the different things I do. You can call me lazy. I don't know. I don't like weeding. So this is what I do. Oh, I did accidentally, my weed eater cut one of my good corns off. Let's get over here and look at it. I'll show you. Let's go look. It's Papa. Hit that bell and you'll always know when it's dinner time or a video's out. Yeah. Oh, real quick, before we go over to the garden, you see that over there? That's my strawberries in the gutter. Yeah. That's new for me. Yeah, I learned that from Dan, homing the sticks. We're gonna see how that does. We're gonna see if we can keep the squirrels and the rats and the birds away from it. Otherwise, I just cover it up, and when the girls, my granddaughters, come over, I'll take it off and they can pick them and eat them and do whatever. Let's get to the garden. Yeah. Well, there's the potato barrel. Yeah, it's potatoes down in there. Sometimes it does good, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. This here is my gourds for Phil and Florence. Janet, I hope you're doing good. But anyway, I think these things are doing fantastic. And I put some over there. Let's go look at those real quick. I'm just going to zoom in over there. Look at those. Yeah. Pretty soon they're all going to be climbing on this vine. Yeah. Right here we got some carrots. I'm fixing to show you how I use PVC pipe so I don't have to weed. Yeah, this little baby right here has produced a couple tomatoes and then kind of like wilted. Oh look, can you see that? We got a mater back there. Yeah, these two are doing pretty good. There we go. All right, this here, I'll have to show you later, but those are my green beans. This is the cool part about the not having to weed. Alright, so I put my corn in little PVC pipes so that I can just weed around it if I need to cut the grass down, but you know, it's not growing. That one there, oh yeah, I am so sorry. I cut one off accidentally. You gotta watch that. But check this out. This may be awesome. Look at all that corn. And I don't have to worry about the weeds. Yeah. Oh, there's another gutter. I'm gonna cut that in half and do something with it. Yeah. Alright, right over here, these are sunflower seeds, or I'm sorry, sunflowers. Check them out. Oh, I love sunflowers. And over here we got a bunch of okra. And I'd have to look at my notes to know what that is over there. I'm so sorry. But check this out. I'm only doing lettuce for the first time in my life because Booger's doing cabbage, and it was like, yeah. But on the outside is peas, and I'm gonna fix that up. They're gonna climb on that, and they're gonna climb on this, and there's more peas right there. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. You know what? Check that out. Okay, right here I just kind of trim around them, but these are my cucumbers. They're gonna grow up and get away from that garbage crap down there. Oh, they're doing good too. And as they grow up, it's gonna be awesome. Stay with me and you'll see what they do. See that right there? Oh, see that right there? That used to be a doghouse. I'm trying to fix it up so next year it's a potato barrel, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So Papa doesn't have like a big garden, and kind of old. I just can't do all that stuff, but it's kind of fun. I got me some cool stuff going. Did I show you my carrots? Yeah. We're doing good. Love it. Spent hours out here today doing all kinds of stuff. Yeah. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See?